Enti next time, what remember obi who koshe Ghana Black Stars no time. No one mu to so na di ka di anza.
But what say time for ankasa no ho. Dr. Tafrija nyame nhira no. Because odwene yenum. Ye wie so a wabadwene ya hase.
Otafrija.
Okeja
no Otafrija. Be ma ba no. Eh nana. Enye ize.
Boy come
That's Uncle Cry from Free Time Herbal Center in Australia. And from Obi Biara Otie SOMPA 106.5 FM. And every for God and country. Ane ye near the time Herbal Mixture Abedjaso near mo watiti biedi. Mrs. Awendi dear. Now ko Ghana Black Stars. Wanga za orebeho. Enti no nunumbi. DDB. Bubobi. Na Adriane no. Enti mi enya wo de ewo techrema so. Yenyi doctor number 0244 417 669 0244 417 669. O de ofra wo se ope time Herbal Mixture. Me say yedi yensasi eboka se dro na edro ni sanyarewa. Edro no na saa busumi yi mu no. Afi mu ne aka nyina nsuo na etoto no. Yedi tu atiri de ase. Yedro no na for the past 16 good years. Yedi yensasi eboka se edro no sanyarewa. Time Herbal Mixture. And what dance na midi. Edra sanyarewa na prof samu wedidi. Na honam no atoso kama. Time Herbal Mixture.
I don't know time Herbal Mixture na de ema wodidi wo soro. Efa wenum. Kama. Na time no so de obedidi wo fom.
Ase ho. Bibi agirigina kwaku na girigina so. Won se nye ntin na emu ato akwa no we ye ntin na gina brane. No ba no so agina brane. Ye no ebo adwuma ye pa. Enti 0244 417 669. Me ka kosi so se de weather no aye no. Se de weather na keka kono. Peta mi si won peti. Pebi esi dining table so. Pebi esi obagi mu. Baby bia obia a time Herbal Mixture. But mo dia so obe pebi aye bre no ene ye de eye adwuma. Ezan se ebre ni hono a wo ye hwea enyiye. Enti fa bre ne ye adwuma ne no time Herbal Mixture. Eboa ama watimi adidi na etu atiri di ase no. Eni kasam se honam ya general body pains na etu ase e de afiri ho. Me ka kosi so se me dofo se wutie mi na wo ye adwuma abre. Ye ma me na omo wodwa so. Ye nua me mama omo ye adwuma den no time Herbal Mixture. Wo de kone koda wate na de beche no na aye na adwuma wie na nipadua na sori waka na fa ne ntoma pa e de afira na kona adwuma so. Time Herbal Mixture. E ho danse e na yedi. Wo se malaria bia ebetu ase na nipadua na timi afa ne ntoma pa e de afira. Time no ye TIME. Ye nyina yenko Okaishi drug lanes. Shops akese wo ho bia ubenya bi ato. Bomode aso obede oba friend 0244 417 669 0244 417 669. HH Mixture and the capsules. Me say de wontimi ndwun so yi. Wo ho asem na making. Ho danse na medidi ama wo say. Time HH Mixture and the capsules no. Ebeboa mo otimi adwun so yi. Na infections bia ewo ni peduanim afri honom eno ntinunum bi se de bia infection bia bacteria bia ewo ya hemfie ho ewo ye memmanim no ahemfie ho na ntimi mane nkoyi no ono no mebeyi ase e de afri ho afenso bosome na so weda no nkrofo bekeka musa na wo se ma ya ase me ya menstrual cramps ne sa ne mane nyina ye kanfo de ama wo sanse dua hini no a doctor na water fridge aberima ba e de ye time na habai ni nyina na okeka bo mu no eye adwuma ye na timi asanyarewa eno nti na mekamfo e de ama wo se bomodi asa obenu no mu yi bi na timi aboa ama dwonso ya afiri ho ama kwaku na gina ne na so ye ama oba no wahemfie ho no aye ahemfie 0244 417 669. But of all say it will be and so rushes. Yeah, Google Crophobi private party. Yeah, as we need the girl be who know about address come about very running hono. Nasa him fear hono and said that Yanika rushes a Google hunty. You know, as a portals be all. I bobo honum basa Yanika and your fe. And would you numbi? Now you know, Doctor Yen say. One no more couldn't pay dream, Nequay emojani mojuma. A quay bacteria be a free ho. ekosa yare wo nipadua na di adanse wo nipadua nani nti ye numa koye mu no ekwa haye akohye ohaw bi anase yare bi ho no ekoye afiri ho nti nsansa na wo nipadua nani wo behu anse ahye na nipadua na fa no ntuma pade ayede e de afra ye kamfo de ama wo se koto nno ni binom na ma oba wonsi pi ensita wokɔ afikyire wi abom sɛ sabia bru sabia nya ado enka bɔne bi firi hɔ ba ensuo bi ɛho anya o nsa tete no yɛ maame no mu wi ɔkɔ ha wi a ɔsetrɛtrɛ nsuo so kakra na enyi nneɛma bi mfiri hɔ no ebia na woni adagye doctor package ne kama sɛ adutan ne dua hini ne nyinaa no ɔyɛ na duro de ama wo sɛ wode no num bi wie na wonnom a ɔhawa wo yɛ fichikom ɛne ɔhawa wo ne nyinaa mu ne nyinaa bi firi hɔ sɛ de bɛyɛ nipadua no bɛfa ne ntuma pa ɛde efra enti prof anya agro aduro ne bɔ adwuma 16 years ni yada soa ewo epo
wow time by 16 years
16 good years
wow
ai Ghana ji atum oman na ji atum na yesum mu nyina sompa enti yesum pa nti yede sum wo mu nti na ma wiase nyina etimi agi atum yen hye no nso se wunya 12 years a yenoi untimi num bia oh 11 and a half cry ma
dentra
se ndum brane ne me wo mu no eyema obi a wonya mfie dumienu eko enti doctor aye ne se wo 12 years nkwa de a we are very qualified so betimi anom yendro ibi afen so obi a wonyem da bi enkonum bi ana wo ma abofra
obi a wonyem
wa fa afuru enum ye
adentra
ai wa fa afuru giso obusa wo doctor ansa se doctor ma wo ho kwae se no na ye de ma no on se orthodox ne herbal medicine no enti no obusa wo doctor no se o wo betimi anom de a wo ho kwae but se wo musa wo doctor de a enum bi apart from that bia wo ho kwase onum ye no ibi nipadua no be sorry waka akona dwuma so
oba wo ma akoda no fo
se on se abofra ni sua bibiduro no num no ekọ breast milk no enti ekọ milk no ma akora ni ntimi e be fa akora no ye enti ne ya na e ka se obi o ma akora no fo mo no because e be fa abofra no eyem ama se bia ogija ne nan because o sua enti na eye from 12 years ekọ enti so wa wo fofra onka ho twɛn ne twa akola no fo de aka no utimi enonom medafo ye nto no ibi nche ye maame no ye papa no weda no aye style ahotutuo ni wo hɔ no nanso wo time herbal mixture uni wo ha okra enti 0244 417 669 prof enkran ha so wo Accra Central Region baby a wo be apart from Kumasi ye headquarters baby a wo be ade to nsa frame me drive the unra bro
ba mom wo aka sisi as a time na short as is here
bro na make us wo de frame me de be bro enyo me ya ka ebe nyina na bo
Patrick Patrick
say no Patrick e bo ani je wa ye tie bi na na wo straight abla be ya wo straight oba fe come on wo straight Patrick ma we
Patrick
there be say 1 month about
wo de answer
da wo de 1 month maybe there 5 months
P next week e kwa oba fa so de eze also there
obi baskanation
wo de o mo frame adaka no menya na sort o e de amom daddy o dwene ho se adaka no metam gu kam ba bia wo bia because na no tafija
anti car na isi abonten na bi o
Debbie for now no bi
asa
oh yenko hwem the ba last Friday ma supply ni nyina me no wuti hey obi be frɛ obehu me hia we me hia ntimi keka bo mu anaje se me ba na me de akɔ but ankura na wu bisam ne na bi ni hɔ adaka ne ma supply awi but next week me do de be opedo do say
me ba cho ye fa ye common in see
why unya du kwaye no a wo ko twetwa nua ne nko ade utimi twa nua na bia a hyebo no watwetwa sanse ye de enti abeni nti de ma fence na next week no de be
me da se pass by
me so me da
nyame nshira
enti 0247 131940 omo frɛ me na me famre o enko kai shikura wo de frɛ me am be to dia
okay yes be 11 years ni 3rd June
60 oh okay 11 years the dream no yengo
Kwame Nkrumah seke wabra eja eni nsuo kafra ye brante bia ye friend kwesi sete na wonum jotu a oja jotu no tu aye nsuo no mu a ekoma eja no ehye amanfo nipa be 154 ewuye eno echi no 154 so we pray omo the recommendations aba sighting of gas stations, any fuel stations. You say, baby, a nipa bonche nkudo. You incite a filling station and that's a gas station. A fire service for 1 year juma. any nadmofo yes ento specialized entadia omo de beko omo eju
fancy no munya na say twem 11 years ni
11 years
they are not going to get it
SARFO na satan kra ya mampanyin kra dem no kan ye ono ye mampanyin a woda so te so ye okay bibi mahama ka bibi wallahi no ye serious
debio ya da so gina we are stacked.
Yes, they be brofona kan mentia.
We are stacked. Ya gina fa kon. Yaka. Asa wona yaka bibi mra wutu a entu no. Asa wo try yes ana gana ye. Enti ni omo hwehwe no munya. We green crash wo me ha ho.
Enti gana pa asamsi a yaka ebo se asamsi e be kan ho asamsa. Be se enchana ye de akokugu.
Akwesa akora wo do ano fa no ho. Wasi towe ma me so de meto no agya isu sana gana ase. Yes exactly. Enti 11 years another 12 years beba. Ye be say the same.
But yesu bibi wo.
Wo mu na yesu no. Gana for asem na wo ken. Yesu a recent year that
Patrick, yes, you
exactly. That's the point I want to make.
Again, I ho.
I want a filling station.
Incident. There
be a one filling station.
There is another opposite filling station.
I will honor.
When my dear Moya baby, I didn't see you.
Statue.
Oh no, my yes, you. Statue. And you see her.
Opposite
baby on my yard. There's another filling station.
I will
sorry, be the BC workers here. I'm sorry, be you guys. I'm saying schools have been busy. IPMC. You understand, Prof? It's your man, your team. Yen suya dear. Sadia we say. So when you be wo fa bi wo mu na na bi wo mu a.
Because why you ya besin because we are better.
Last year, victims ni bi betra nkunya we. E wo dem ha. Prof, me sabi be mama ntimi ahwo mo. I couldn't enter this room to watch them. What I say?
Now victims no kra mpo na went me.
One na ye bomb ye say ye be hwemo ye be ye mu say no no kra kosi say.
Shit.
O ma ba ni wo mu. Ensem ni bi ye ya, ensem ni bi eti akoma.
Ya na ne wo no.
What I say? Enkade ni see was a particular day no. Enkade bi ye fire thing bia ye filling station dey be yo.
You should have closed exactly. But obi be here.
Ba kosi wo mo ye.
Opposite.
Aye. Beside it is Vienna City. Aye.
Oh.
Penny bi.
On say eto de bi na dwalaya. Na ya na bi mu ntiase.
Ya da so Ghana mu a. Nti ha 16 years baba ya da so. So 11 years.
11 years.
Ya be say ya.
12 ne celebrate.
Yes celebrate sa. Ne ya
celebrate.
Abrante kwesi said kwesi ofosu din ni wono jot wana wono jot na wie na pisi no what is you know
ignorance na say jot requires here nom the public it's not supposed to be smoked publicly
ti so to no
debut yeah urim dia hamisi ya Patrick wo dia fa weni kan kuromu a na hebe bia aye filling stations and gas stations ewo
krom
na anyom no mo beka kire en say eni kwan so mo site filling station as a gas station ewo krom
o be yen so e say EPA be hwe
that's it bia o correct ja EPA den EPA
so mo emra say no kan no
na omo hwe debi omo hwe na si sen
ah na no ma omo tena ho no
omo hwe na si sen
no ma establish wo ho no time for that moase what you say shall we wash filling stations wo krum ha hwe ba bia ya situate no wo de wafo ani hwa ha da me ha inku akra afo ani hwa
on the 3rd of June me ba to betimi akọ Facebook wall SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra you can have a glimpse of what actually happened on that day your man penyin so ekasaye His Excellency John Dramani Mama then yenko tie ne
so miserable, so pity. Even can't control myself, but still I need.
Whether it's for Monfancha me, Tama some see, you know, 1 year a beshad, you know, almost so, Ghanaians said you mukasa, you know. Let's go take a listen to them.
So miserable, so pity. Even can't control myself, but still I need to try my best.
I was standing by the window there, and the fire came from the left side. And another one made it. And then it drew the iron gates down there. The whole building was shaking. I thought it was collapsed.
We heard the military crying, where are you? Where are you people? And we said, we are here. So they came up and they told us that, you see, this time is between life and death.
I jumped inside the water to save them. There was a fire explode. So my whole show, people television that I replay, water carried some burn. The whole show started burning. That I got burned.
It's catastrophic, almost unprecedented. We'll leave the city authorities and the emergency services to continue to do their work. Many other Ghanaians were trapped in the traffic chaos that occurred as a result of the high water in many areas. A tragedy of this magnitude requires a strong and concerted response, and that is what government and many Ghanaians are currently.
June 3rd disaster, Kwame Nkrumah Circle.
All right, so June 3rd disaster, Kwame Nkrumah Circle, eho enkomo ene dia kai mu enne. Na said the medical kai mu no. We were time herbal mixture, time HH mixture. K&G Herbal, Yejumedi, almost where I said 21st clinic, Yabakoso, na Yadamwase, sciatica expert, the sciatica originator, endpoint homeopathic clinic, Moso Yabedamwase, and Navy. Now we are asking a question now. And now Ghana Black Stars, I can't see na womu see no. Me pato saying na wuhuno Ghana Black Stars, and now I can't see no. Patrick, who I can see the same.
Ghana Blasters are seven.
Who share more? No,
man.
they build their own team in Kamasam. Very that na baby. Go with them. Who's a one per ball? Wait, I was a bit bisa Safo because Safo na yes pause. Safo me bacho bra. Safo ma me bisa obi kakra ho. Edwa Ghana Blasters. I can't see no. Say no who no. World Cup no ye beti mi abo because enu akansie no koso no me hu Michael Essien e wo park no so me hu aye Steven Apia e wo park no so sa so na me se hu eye hwan can he play ben why Tony Bafo so was there. I don't know, but enu dear boys in the bobo. To me, boys in the bobo. But what would tear young so no? Ye bisa say, and no I can see no. Sign na who no. And no I can see no. Who the saying? What did the piece say? Ghana World Cup a ye koi. Ye beti mi abo modern ana ye modern 20. Looking at Enua, a choir players no, a ball no. Now maybe say, and no I can see no. Why na why the favorite Ghanaian player? Maybe I may be a man to 2-3-5 minutes be. Why na ye player and no obo no who modern pa? Maybe say, why soon na ye player and no nani modern morning yet. Maybe I try to me a phrase is ya chere wadwen. Na safo me ma kwa na say.
Prof Major so.
Bibia boko there. And no can say no hu na saying.
Prof my say afena team ne yehye. Nti ye nya abotre kakra. But then no as first half no hwe ya. First half no was dominate game.
Enemy hu here.
But second half no ye ba game no. And one thing is say young sanga no. Minimum no coaching tactics and no but say or rely on o defend kakra. No abiom kakra. O defend kakra. No abiom kakra. But then no here center pair ne dia solid. And o ma hwe da me an fijiku ene salisu.
Wo de nyabotre ma me ndi nkomo we mra sisi anyabotre na me ndi nkomo we emra sisi a. Ye kwa ama no so na yeni nana sim oje abo ampia na yeno no edi enkomo ebebe twemo no na osi akan ema Ghana Black Stars na edinga dodo na edi nimu no o Ghana hado eye Emmanuel Ampia nana wadaroma yabama akwa ba for God and country I was SOMPA 106.5 FM nana patona apomoko de Yeah, we pa. And what me GDP I can see no shebi.
Man, the so highlight number here.
SOMPA FM. And I told you, I'm a GDP say. And now say no, we can see no. Now what kai what tetia now see a kind edema blasters and this are.
Oh, I know the Obi Obobo that we are an hour about blaster that we are no. This is here or kaita mono so we are in the kai.
Now and what can see no saying now no your overall assessment of the game.
Yo, that in a for seeing. And what can you know? It will should be kakra. The new answer. Who's the normal could you be my because not pressure be so. That pressure is super until them someone say, not a professional level. The professional bomb go for ya nebo. Nada na mu jina mu tumi ebo ekise eno mboma o tumi embobi. Because the baby a omoba W18 mu a ya clear na ka kudi onwo no mato no mo de ba. Ina eje be kakra. O kakra no chance. Because mu no man ebo. Ana mu ni ku. Na omo ebo mu se no na me chance. Right. Ye kakra. Na me juna ho pa boy ye boy there.
That and Sweeney.
The tia ko ni no dia no kwa de ba ko.
But na Podaroma say eno akan sie no ye nyina ye hwe bi. Da e fa edi kan no die. In fact, nenye, but if I toss me no dear, if I toss me no dear, you better say, and no dear, no one in him chain. A year fine, and I decline.
But you know, that wake up in the echo. And you're crying, and you're 50-50. Just wake up from the end. I mean, we had a crab about mid year. And son, I ever qualify wake up. They have me. Wake up here, I qualify. Get go Afcon and get go the former Menke Afcon Yanko. Now, wake up, I hear queen. They should be no good weird Matthew, but then a year with Timano. Says, yeah, qualifying a cordia. I'm using the net with the net Hamaka, so young 3 years with the Kugi Matthew. That's a weird matter, so I need a combination.
All right.
But we should boy, yeah, bona. Navata, Kakra. Let me Fikumati Bamicum. Let me do brewer, me who police phobia or acquire football. Some of the sons and wake up here to me. And then every back one of your young to me. So, football, but your team no thing. What's the matter on the crab? Said the
Oka say your team ninja you from the various departments of the game. You share your goalkeeping that's the same.
Goalkeeper there match be over there no you know.
And what keepers me no die. Benjamin Asari ebeda second half. And our first half no at Atizigi and die. Those two goalkeepers and a center home.
First one,
there were Yaziza, Atizigi.
Atizigi. No moment I made a martial, but no much over the you know. Much be over the piano or bon homoding. Or you know, I'm of say. Go no oyadie
na Benjamin Asare so so
ono de mi said I'm sharing that it means me fa match way assess no sharing that
Yam brought to the defenders because now you're pillar. We a pillar during your days, you know. Now you can't defending now. Emmanuel Ampere, Obianim say now you heavy. Currently, you share defense now. Say no, no.
The defense no, they share any Austria. In fact, Enkuyi. Germany, Bayi, Kakri. Now, we shall go at the now. Boy, BT,
Babara Manana.
Babara, my boy, BT, no. Let me fabric money too much. But you'll be in the near paper, Cabon, Confanco. You'll be in the near paper or Bohart football, Gabon, Confanco, because the world sees a year, you know. Then your boss and can talk to me at the Coco Crosso. But of course, you know, so that a 51 almost no one, I said almost so fight on me body through. Now. But what I used to say, or born more than 10 could be of a head bone. But I need not over the chin or no headache. No headache. Oh, we don't get the idea of the cutter. European football a different. Nancy so many now one day football a young one here, a young one here. So we can defend us no some must be experience some one day man fan can one. The year Mobama keep up around watch them. So but boy I say Barbara man fine when to me that's one fan of 154 tonight so be a mistake I was about I say. Any part about football. So be a mistake I was almost defending Pacono. Mistake now I know. Buano, but I want to know one boy or head boy.
And you know, your friend is saying, young common no on the defense, you know. Then officer coach in the year, I bet me a boy any many years, so there be a defense and a solid.
You see, the coach no be said a born I share no. The coach no need that one be a call of a soa or best defenders no one kasa football kasa. Also, Casatro, the Sabo, yes, say the man say, next time, no, or won't trust or may say, no more to lay bone floor. So, no, the way they do head the fire, and let keep on to me.
Maybe I'll head the fire and I keep on the dear on to me. But some have also said, say, Barbara man, Ushana, on one Casano. I say, on yet the one said that on Kikana Hosa and Kabayanka coach, you know. Member coaching you soon. I want your World Cup, Remo. Now, 1 year Casano, but me know my Adriana, so on your Munyadring.
Such a woman can
but some Barbara man, and you can say coaching you soon.
The piano can say now, if you are over to Nabo, over to Nabo and Barbara man. If be a say you, the over to Nabo and and to Wednesday.
And I ask some you.
Dear Piano, on one house over. To think as all my number. If you are young Ghanaian, you feel say, on so poopy. But on what now? So, a quiet first one, your friend, national team, you know, I had a hard drink.
Okay.
And a hard drink.
Yeah. Now, a crime bench, I first wife. You're free a national team. I will say hard drink.
I don't want to say. Yeah. That position. Oh, that position.
Barbara man position.
Your national team, no, you're fun to say, look at me and to him more. You're fun to say. Yeah, Ghanaian to me now, yes, and you're putting for the local place, no to him more. If you are a man about that. Yeah, come. No look at me, yeah, different definition, look at. And son of Tony Buffalo Bishop.
Wow.
So, look at. And the way I see a year, no. You come Monday, near about Friday, never bought a leg matches. You come Monday. That is the Argentinian group national team. Yeah, you almost are. The Bennetti. Yeah, not in a position here, on the team position. And I. I'm a professional. I'm not team by Hasanoko. I'm straight on professional.
No more look at.
Hasanoko. I didn't know a look at me, don't remember. yenya nipa do dokwa na binya ba ko mienu bi e dey the keep yi e dey na ko shema asisi ano o che ne
bobre
isa so national team no ya do say professionals no kwa professionals so dey bi so mu ni mate time na omo bo pa ye ni mo no and na professionals that's not make it a bad defense yenya na look at very abla free ho eba yenya look at to make the football in here because yeah wo ho nyina manorama me from man so akosi apia ka wo nyina yenya den na the ball so for we still that kind of good on here so aka but in there wana obi di bia be from you will be a friend agent or from a college percentage. And then I say football no percentage in a dozen.
Percentage no dozen.
And dozen.
Now, okay, percentage now then na person na padaroma.
And one percentage na make no and then I say football no. One say agent no. Oba be who coach. Oba be who coach. Coach play 50-50. Woman both 50-50. Ewo and let be any ewo. SOMPA. You are nipa no on 15 but and I'm the all no opening to woman abo no ade. No ko.
Nana before I be do be no mami yen share the attackers ne ye wingers no and run no
Mami ka 70. Yeah time no.
Okay.
Ni agent bia wo.
Oh, okay.
Agent bia ni wo. Wo aka sa woni den and the football na ba no and ya tisi kana ansa na bobo. Yes time no bobo na ansa na woni scan. And as you see the scan obo wo ya de onya de scan baba ansa na akobo. Yes time so bo na wo bo no na dis scan bro. So
na me say na mo time no na mo gi appearance fee.
Appearance fee me dey. Enya wo kan ya de me na de ko.
Nana. I said Black Stars, yeah. One more call a World Cup. Obia edgy $10,000.
And I say, Sharp for no one work on committee because
Nana.
And the corner make it all. You called Senegal 92. You Senegal 92, you could do ho. Yeah, my effect a deep piano or say my car. And the crown Nigeria foreigner. And me press number professional because no because you could be almost be my and some a place to be on professionals no or be education and some in second scan you can look at no crank and family that's all I can say I who knowing yeah to be that look at yours I go for the what kind of
appearance fee no
it never that you better not
now that's
a better my head in for the dodgy for yeah allegation
Satam no pedam no ye the dodgy.
If it's a FIFA dia no some the kind one cry no the dodgy
na company for the dodgy mo
master the dodgy because just living and then Nigeria players will be doing come on that people to be on the kind and so na the Ghana for na the people dey on the mind you ko ya I don't know who we have there
now what your current GFA boss Kate Okreku me pacho who ne sen
me tiano ba ko pe e fa se me tiano ba ko pe but me dey come on Ministry of Mr. Ozu, Nana Ozu Sapo. Ne papaya. Nasika no oba. Nisira no second Oju na intenti ma na me kata ni ni ntia me kata so. Next place na e all the thing. Yente da so. Iso opese. Le juma no ekoyi ana se e din pa botanity a. Look at them can say ye be a crown on the unfair. None of the Kakri or the Median. Or did you make it? Don't see a brother.
Retired football is on film.
Ghana football, football national team no Bolivia, no. Yes, you grab you. If you grab stadium ground, if you knew Jessica, now why and Tokwa? Oh, just on in Pacono, Mongo, be a supported to be, but that's only know, was in the city. Oh, that's how no sorry crying. It's a basic fact. It's true. Listen.
Hey.
I'm going to go to the stadium. No, just you put a holding, so I said that I told me. Information say no, may particular, no, make a soldi. The button of the head ball, knock us on my knee. And the basic one, and because many do what many times in the room, but the basic and the position is jamming at the member. And I call fire. You catch them say, oh, my ID card. So the Buffalo, but I don't know, sir. And this year, men to me can be that, or can I remember office, in Koi, it is a my ID card number, old network in place now, and they need to be so. So, Nanka, Obia, yes, 10,000. Yes, 10,000. And the no ground, the moment ID card. Maki bia no te said ko wi adi kan obi na bosha na ede
na wadarmo abrantie bi wa ha your friend SARFO ono ye sports ewo station also or one question opeso bisa
na we dey wadarmo uba defense now and I say your left back now is a Koya Baba Rahman and then Gideon Mensah and then no Baba make a mistake or which are resorting to go psychologically going forward no Jena technical team no any psychologist no monye emfa Baba Rahman because you say Gideon Mensah ma definitely Baba Rahman bebo and no Ghana so e ba se no nti akoba ne say no Jena technical team no monye emfa Baba ho
and you say no the aban say no Mr. Coach no so say me na me mbotu and so Ghana and Nigeria ye be ko no a friend saying a Bukatila or ma Starabla. I could both two in my Tony Bafu ever bought 4. Oh, the kind say Tony Bafu a year to me, a friend saying Starabla to me, Obama may Mako. A dinner or Shetta and Yadina, ye won't. You know, between attack Friday allow no. But that Friday allow no. And they want to number one in retreat. No, a good player, but to number one in retreat. So, but Starabla to me, Takeno, ma Tony Buffalo, on to Yanko, because that town, and not Tony, on to me, a guy, no. So, if you or share of defenders now, but to the Obiaco.
Okay.
One position also. All
right. And Nana, whatever you better was say. Now, finally, no Ghana World Cup ye kui. You bet me try the group stages.
Ghana for the what would say? Let's say Ghana for the a fire able so much to do. Maybe the main penny was here. The moment that in that year, no, I share photo. Yet we do Ghana for the Biade. They said South Africa, if you could do
yeah, you do quarterfinals.
Yes, they will be Biade. It's impossible.
Yo. Now, Okase in Mguasia, you get 3-0 in Mguasia.
3-0 could they say in Guadio. 3-0 could they say in Guadio.
You. But my fire in common is SOMPA that's for modern countries where that's it. Why? Yeah, that's it. I was for SOMPA 106.5 FM in Utisamini Nana, same or Giabo and Pierre, AD and Como, a baby Tremono, no Siakaima, Ghana Black Stars, a DNA the friend war, Emmanuel Ampere. Yabada in Wabasisia and Nimpiesi Senior Bakupe. He speaks for the NDC. Mesuda, I don't know what Yana Chikakra. Sabri, waba be kansa wa ha saa so na me ankasa me nua nana Nana Shandoff also got some of the new patriotic party also ababetenase on first question I maybe some say blasters match and Romu who is saying you dying who abasisia
Munde dinam se menya foreign call. Hello papa. What do to be a new? Se me feel London ekwo US. Na no kra wo kura fra me boma mania. Na papa mo ho te sei. Awurade aduma haboko. Na ko jejesi ekwo bosempene mo. De woton adansi ho niam no nso. Wo hye ho de. Oh, wo hye ho. Ekwo ba. Mesi wo bodwuma kra sre kane no a. Na wodru US won so manfo bondin saa na. Hey papa US hakura de. Na ko jejesi company limited agiba bia. Wo Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. Eba adensi ho niam dia. Obia se na ko jejesi company limited. Na matese wo bi depo kasie bi e wo kasoa. E ho na wo bia koto adensi ho niam. Na eye no kura papa. Oh, no kura pa. A police station in Chenhua. Hey, a kuoba sempre mono. Onye mereda. She, we kura no miensam and we be en fufuro yawo. Baku obua kwase paase kumasi. E ba ko so pokura se nkran ha. Obia se na kododesi eye bemaba e wa dansi mu. Waton cement, iron rods, banding wires, and adua plywood and just say the board dance ro. Te se bibia e de hye e dansi ase de ko wie. Depo no nyina so eye tufo bo. Wodu kuka mu a, wodu koja free. Akra wuyi kaswa depo eni pokrasi de no kwa to nchen a wosa wobu akoteman Tantra Hill Iron City Amanfrom wasa bie depo kese so e wo Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kwa da nchen a ebisu magazine road head office no wo bie depo kese so e wo da de ntam edwisu Akra road Femeso opposite Alaji Celia ampaba meboshen Tanoso Breman and Amanfrom numbers of man for the free 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 Nana Kujesi Company Limited. Hey,
in the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA first service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no eweye brem. Enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some perfect service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bra Onyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And some perfect service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda ni na share radensa. Na erade beye.
Emra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bagi.
Bra, aden, ena so biem.
Hey, time eba me hye ya me kan se yi ba kwin. Ani wayi mi ensen.
Bra, sanya time eba me hye esia jimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofani nyina.
Time eba me hye me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ena de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria we draw ne time eba mixture.
Enya enunku de nanum oto a wontimi ani die no. Time eba mixture duro no ena yema wo. Oba a wafa afuo de wo ma akwada no fo. Eni akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se obeto aduro yi bi anuma, hwe se wako hospital anase lab ame yehu se wo atudie malaria yi bi ansa. Se opetam heba mixture enru dudu etu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House. Ana ba ko so wo atonso wo na ko junction.
Eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers. Eni herbal shop dodo na eni.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo set time no TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu betu ako.
FDA aje ejodi nkratu yi atu.
Tia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o. Ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane. Enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese word na kese party akese se mu pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi a cha nani a haji Hajia special local foods ewo hacho atomic kwan no so hono de ntie fe ni local foods ne say enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de ye aduane say eya abontine aduane edi enye ni bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se mo mfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 02463599921 02463599921 anasa 05947972115 eye 05947972115 na wodem 21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo ma gye ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gye international awards ahodo wo mu gye local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gye 21st clinic nkoa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 na 21st clinic still wo ye sciatica expert. Aha! Just hot kinky. Just hot kinky. Hey, your hot. Just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky dokuno noa. Ye di yellow corn of vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe. 3 Ghana so the sepe. No mo to dokuno wa monten so. Eno no mu tu etono. Say die. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokuno serve wa wo ho a. Wo de frey. Na ye customizing the mount. Se de wusi penny bia. Protein opese de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obienim say, just hot kinky, and noa, and ye serve ya wahu, just bakery, Ewodome, commercial bank in Chenwa, and to fraying, and was 02560688832. Now, young customize your orders in the mount, never say, what was said, was a pen pepe. Just hot kinky, just hot kinky, and ye hot.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wastrano eweye brim. And I'm Nensaso ama Onyankopon we ya hon wade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you SOMPA First Service. Our home in TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasishia. A bro Yankupon Kasa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And SOMPA First Service in Chawo Hum Hoda. A Yadrada Kusi if Yadanopa. Anopa no Nunkusi Anopa Nunsia. Fawodani na share radens. Na erade beye.
Exactly 14 minutes after 4. A very good afternoon to you once again. Yeah, baby, na forgotten countries in here. Na mamin koda mimbo. Yeah, one I saw no. Abaso kakra. One my dear Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Or say the end to chronic diseases. 21st clinic. The sciatica originator. The commander. Onunkuto no wo a draw. Etimitian sciatica ya dear no. Medical catcher say a company be a juma for be juma on commission based marketers. I think pacho say oh yeah marketer na wutie me a there's an opportunity for you now. What we SHS this is the opportunity. Ukra HND who qualify, ukra degree, so I'll qualify. Pacho closing date, 9th June 2026. Me pacho commissioner the man so commissioner idea was through ye pa time hebel make sure so because what the say makacho say ahobambo edru who here be wo fie when you 3D idea time hebel make sure time HH make sure and the capsules already a mane emema edru menemuka say enim PSA atana say he speaks for the NDC enim net say
me nyanko pa da roma
me hu ache pa
oh me she ho
so what she kama pa
ukobu me bro
ukobu e bro ekrase udo
oh you I didn't
oh sir me person me do but safu buma bem
say then
was say me ni ahoden a betimi de ado misika sam susu a
anya kua nyina no de ahoden
enti wo de usika na ye
you betimi aye ne sa and this time mechanized farming
enti wo no wo de usika na ye wo no wo de usika na ye and if you better say so ajipene
na ma fa kwanya susu ntua wotie
etie for that yes that's fide ya feel eti obehu
mun mani age
sa
fa na koso
oh sir it is the doing of the Lord. Amen. It's the doing of the Lord.
Glory be to God.
Hallelujah. Shakara baba. Shand of let say.
Nyamina dum.
Bibi aboko ni.
Nyamina dum pa. Yenya hodi an etin komodi e dia seda be nyame. Yes.
Nyame ayebi.
Yes. God has been grateful. I mean and mama fa kunya so ncha weti for no wahwefo nyina. Na misanso ncha ye flag bearer. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Hey, I don't know, Samatia. There's a breaking news.
Saying,
won to me case on Galamsey no court. He has been exonerated at the Supreme Court yesterday. He declared of all charges. HSA, he was not engaged in any Galamsey activities, but rather he was engaging in a reclamation of lands by way of Galamsey activities now. Degrade over the period, and that land reclamation project in fact World Bank the cry now more sikabia now wome chato na Ghana by na say areas titua Galamsey na edidi ho aseno no yebeboa na yetima reclaim sa lands no ama yetima beye a friend is a viable biominti sa project no na he was able to win a contract of that, and some of the areas, especially the western region, also, he had got people with the company, Akonta Mines, near other companies, he had gone into those areas to reclaim lands. Now, JJ, even other near Betimawama and Saseno. It's messing that the mobile. NDC for Barbem, so yes, you say now they had certain concerns, almost to say now. Galamsey activities na gasana la kodi mutinti manye and so beye if I say abosumi beye nume koni watch mu de we di yen court batan ho atrenche pa enra de abriwa ipuma kwema ye declare to me say he all the charges are now level against or no say no he was engaging in Galamsey activities no na enye sanete ti ni lawyer Pierre Kubi granting interview on Nsem for edi nkomo as to what the judgment was around the Supreme Court. I think that it is more of like a relief for him, and I think for the MPP party as well, because one of the things are now going into the 2024 elections. It was very topical. Was about Galamsey issues. Say Ashanti Regional Minister was engaged in Galamsey and all of that. But in the court, Ebubo Nsemni Huan, Busumbe Numekoni, and what you saw there. This is the outcome about it. You better nyamiase. Now you managing council on a national chairmanship bidder or cause say once I yet me yipoma ba kofi kwane mu de Nyankopon so tonso penguso na dia ohye no e betima ben amano ye managing council. Yes.
Also the enra apie mu no.
Yes.
I've not cited it, but
I think I have the link. So meet my shaman producers now.
Yeah, you can share the link with the producers.
They will be able to play it out and now it's for nothing. That is the latest coming in on that. They be MPP as a party, no. We are not No, so it was an can't say on an Grant interview. That is lawyer Pierre could be win to me. May.
But I think I have what I've found here is I think it was in the High Court, right?
Yes, yeah.
And then the Supreme Court.
I think
it was in the High Court. And then what I'm seeing here in the High Court convicted Thomas Andy Owusu and aide to Chairman Wontumi in a Galamsey corruption case. Owusu, the second accused in the case, titled "The Republic." Okay, no, I don't think it's this one. Maybe. Owusu, the second accused in the case, titled "The Republic versus Charles Bisu and another." Okay, entered into a plea. Okay, all right, okay. But I'll do a search on what you have just said.
I further checks on it now. I'm sure like it's still a developing story, you know. We'll be able to also find out what the issue is.
But with what we have gotten over here, permit me to quickly read the story that is on My Joy Online. Let me be specific. Wuntumin trial. Court says July 3rd for judgment. Wuntumi trial. Court sets July 3rd for judgment. The High Court has set July 3rd to deliver judgment in the high-profile illegal mining case involving Ashanti Regional NPP Chairman Bernard Ntwibwe-Siakon, popularly known as Chairman Wontumi, and two others. The date was fixed after the defense closed its case on Wednesday, June 3rd, which is today, following the conclusion of evidence from its fifth and final witnesses. The witness, Ivan Adai, was cross-examined by the Deputy Attorney General, Dr. Srim Sai, bringing the defense case to a close and paving the way for the final stage of the trial. The case stems from allegations of illegal mining at a concession in Samraboy, Western Region. Chairman Wontumi and his accused have been standing trial over charges linked to the operation. At the close of proceedings, the court directed both the prosecution and defense to file any written addresses they intend to rely on by June 17, 2026. The judgment on 3rd July would bring to a close months of legal proceedings that have attracted significant public and political attention. The trial has featured testimonies from prosecution and defense witnesses, including former Western Regional Minister Kwabena Ochredako Mensah, who appeared as a fourth defense witness. One of Chairman Wuntumi's lawyers, Tete Thompson, in reaction to the Accra High Court's decision, told Joy News sources that on our part, we have done what is necessary, and we are very convinced that the system would work and the court would do the needful. With both sides now having concluded their cases, attention turns to the court's final determination on whether the prosecution has proved its case against Chairman Wontumi and two other accused persons. So where are you getting this information from?
So I've actually shared the link with you. I think it was after the court's session, lawyer and the appeal could be granted that interview. And when say a friend is a minimum, but about courts when the various procedures and as a court sessions go through, when it's done, there's actually a date for the final judgment. But then in the course of a friend is saying case management to the very point that both parties have been able to make their case, and then the nipa bakwa boni they are very integral in the determinants of case now. That was the former Western Regional Minister, because some of the activities too were very, very loud. And I think so he was also in charge. Can also share World Bank too had an interest. That is the land reclamation. And then the testimony or the bar court was very integral that if there was anything in like in that regard, and then Chairman Wontumi rather was helping in the reclamation of that day. And I read it in the I think the New Crusading Guide when I was in the waiting room.
So per the story that I've just read to you, so we can conclude and say, sir, well, he has been acquitted and discharged.
I think like your friend
is saying Ochery.
Yes, yes. Nice, Osha. He was very friendly, saying important person in that testimony.
So I was like, now some way.
No, but I say Sebio say ba court in sense me say be Europe could be a nim kesepa. He cannot also make a pronouncement that would be contrary even to what is about to come, especially when you have gone through the various case management. Supreme Court 2012 election course. So one now share elections you'll be able to tell how the case how the case is even going and at the end. I think it's even fair when you say they have not the court has not given it verdict, but then that was your friend is saying a lawyer and the appeal could be so remarks involving the latest that come from it.
All right, okay.
Yes, we await the final judgment from the court, but that is the information to out there. All that has been said, it clearly shows that Chemawun to me would, and it's likely that he is going to be free of all the charges.
Are you conjecturing? That you don't say, oh yes, Hannah, you are sounding prejudicial. So you don't preempt the outcome of the case. It is
when I say it's likely, that is not me being emphatic on the situation, and I am also making reference to an interview.
That's all.
In fact,
it's
not so obedient kunim per se. You see, as Timemufo now, as Omamba Pano, we are looking. Say ye bit menya asem no pomasibe because adie fa crime like a year about galamsey ni adie e gan on mine say nti say etima travel all this while now say we are almost at the determination of the find this idea every Ghanaian should be interested and say na yetimi so car say Chemawun to me had been involved in the friendly galamsey
that one we can conclude. We can't make any
I'm not making it. So I say we can't make her. I'm saying based on what I've watched and the remarks that has been given right after the court proceedings by
remarks now. Can I play the remarks for
like a lengthy one? We say it was just something that I wanted to pass by that, but it's quite a lengthy one.
Okay, me pacho person Bembi.
I'm saying sankomwe and come around Bush's program now about
Debbie. It's not part of it, but no.
Me pacho member mukakra. Once Attorney General closing the case on Wuntumi. In this more friend no and they and no now concluding the nti we asem no nea efa say lawyer for Omang lawyer for the accused.
Yeah.
Obi awie the case. Judgment in Marbonting.
There be sir, I and I'm kind say somewhere in July and I judgment.
Oko Deputy Attorney General. Same sign. Me post. I said the accused person in case the Republic versus Bernardine Chibosiako and two others called their fifth and last witness today. The witness was discharged from the witness box a while ago. That brought the entire trial to an end. The judge has scheduled July 3rd for judgment. It has some, baby, here. We'll be playing the defense. We no accuser.
All right, okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Pray. Empty whatever is going to happen.
Sure. All right. Okay, mama nasi.
And you'll be a home. Say, Obi be nyasem none of who are quite so I say, but young farm running to.
But I'm not sure Ghana born in
you. Me hear kakra. Me hear second half.
Not the same.
Oh, first half on me tie commentary. My nyankwa but not saying na me tie commentary no fa no. So commentators will be our come for exaggerate. Inti na spare ni amete ne de no ze na from them Wales for no one sada
Ghana for so.
But second half na me hwe no, it wasn't that bad at all. What is at stake? A preparation towards the World Cup. Wales woko ball round of amfa meboa wonya ya anka won so woko World Cup that is the ultimate ye nyame an adom first step ye wie header no ya qualify ye rekobi sebe nye nyina na ebetime the cup na akoye in various countries at the end of the day one country can be raise a flag 2014 Brazil na host okay host nation Brazil almighty Brazil Germany share won 7-1
Bekai
oga won fi here football say what we have at our disposal players here one dey use one yeah all locally I do wan akwa manone no akonya experience kakra obronu wa ofu ase bo wo ho no so nga ba be kan ye ho won na ye Ghana iti World Cup ne kono ese esua ne hwe da bia meka sa asem no ball ne hwe ese efi ase esua ne hwe ye won ne fe ne ye won ne won gbedima ball ni nyina fe but when win at the end of the day and no ball how to so me hwe the way obo ball na ye man mre kakra obe excel sabe ni abesenko na abesenko adibo ho ese Ghana ye twen adwen si so Senegal prempren e betima ka say oka West Africa ha country a wo ball modern footballer wo gina won nan so Senegal ka ho meboa then e don ko wie ho wo academy akese abien a feed one national team from the academy no woko amanone no won ball ache but Ghana no yes some coach zen say yes some players
frefre kobo
yes some coach zen yes some players so there's no cohesion nti ayemre baby I do prepare no na me hu no it wasn't that bad see nya coach papa o tie gure na se a obetimi asesa niema na menya akomatoyem kakra because second half no performance na me hwe no
yeah
as compared to first half na me ten there na second half no wasn't bad me nam dey assess coach good coach bia no ye be hu input a second half na beda no hu edi na because what I say for first half no be kire wonim one so pattern oba be deploy or part field of play and na nyafi a wojuna park so na kwa fresh so kwesa na kwese into wo performance you bet man assessing ya me da bia make a second half no ne hu it is ultimate 10 in them around anya bad goal by nye bibia ye hu bia bro so ye hu ne chance ada
go away
hweye baba na me kire no me chance ye hu ne a chance ada we ye ka say make am ye be make amends unless ye any material you bet me dey make amends on this particular thing a training match it ye mfa no say na hu ya ye ni obia oba bibio ma ye bet me do ngakọ players are sabi ye bet me boast off I don't want to call World Cup that me be ba na so ahe number enye won pe enye obi na mfre won but sana your friend then
you hopeful there say you bet me try the group stage
maybe so asem me the football achi ma bo bi da na that ben pa na Ghana ya tournament ya ko news the cup be bada
there be
not even 2010
South Africa
absolutely. So what I say? Ya go no bia so ade di nye o enko si hwe. Iti ya timi assemble players na check akra bia. Why are professional players? Iti obetimi adjust to certain things. Iti and all is not lost. Say Yakobo friendly man near lose nti den. Yakobo friendly man.
That's how we cried in lose.
Yeah, exactly. Iti and now she be e di fiba no. Yeah, chance e je jama 6 something meboa. Ye ne Austria ya he. Ye Germany into no you improve but be akes ye iron out never boyen ne say ye betimi stay focus Nyankopon ye adom no prebin kobem so that as our last 2 weeks na Jiku can prospective team no and so then they could see well at time bra na my place in Jan announce pampi where my go work up and I'm a ye mom pie. Yeah, mom pie say Yankopon be bue kwana.
All right, I mean, I said that.
A game.
Sound off. No, enjoy
game.
Flow of it. Abochi me a game nibi.
Na say na whole game.
I was able to watch from the first half to the end, and I think I'm not surprised at our performance. You see, Obefi say Black Stars near current performance. Eba precopedia na that person is either be on following football, and I say be on person obey sincere to the issues. I think as on minor. Ya tenasi amanyama bibre na Diego minya penny anasemi of Accra this enimbe kase 2010 in fact 2010 we might not be hopeful say yakwaje cap number but we were hopeful of progress Because Oshe Afcon na ye boy and before that World Cup na, you could see that the young guys are now promoted Mufi under 20. The day you mo J Cup ne buy no. These guys were like they were just buzzing. You can talk of can't say Pukwajiman, Rabi Mohammed. You can talk about a friend say all of those guys. They are the very people near day in Penifoni Kakibi Fry as a Bojambo Fry. These guys na yedu omo call World Cup no Ajiman Bedumu. So Ghanaians saw the performance of Moyo or a friend say Angola, and we said no, this team was promising. Just can't say Yenya into World Cup there are big teams that come. But then Ghanaians were hopeful say Yebit maybe. Indeed, they proved to us this team was capable of doing something. Now the unfortunate thing was that we have lost track from that time. Say you need succession programs. Say you need say at a particular time this team will fade away. They ben your man na ye dia go akwemu for the next generation ebeba no. And the England Sawasha players bit say ko palma mo yan frefre. But you know why? Omo coach this Tuchel. He has scored equally better players. Brendan Rodgers, many other guys, and SARFO. All of these guys are popular. They are capable. Fulfilled. Whoever thought say a baby by yen fulfilled. But other guys now you're from, they are equally capable. So especially based on the tactics of coach per se. Like Obono. So I'm asking, are you hopeful in this team? I think my hopes are measured. I did not expect too much from the Black Stars, truth be told. If what we saw yesterday was anything to go by, especially with the first half, we did shambolic. But perhaps, you see, this coach, Carlos Kurozi, Sawashena, he is more of a defensive mind person. Oko coaching Egypt. Now we share Egypt. In the last year, no Egypt. Ultimately said no. He works like he tends to defend more and play on counters. And the first half, I think he wanted to see how a defensive setup. Don't forget that we do not have the best of defense, especially when we are missing out on Jiku, Salisu, and other guys. No, so all of these young guys, I can't say Pokumone, a friend say Anan more like Yedio Mokoyen. He's trying to say, okay, how do I if I pair these guys? Now like if we are being defensively how would it go? So perhaps first half that was the tactics, and second half we should change this game. One person who came to change the game was Brandon Thomas Asante. The pressing he brought in Yama, same thing. Bonsuban, same thing. So perhaps this is just the tactics exactly. Okay, he's just trying to see. Right, but on the whole, day, I do not really give them much a all right, very much. Exactly 11 years. And at Trenchem Kesia to Ghana mine. The fire and insure a toy circle. I brandy be as a friend set Quisi ne or no condom jota or him say jota no dear or jar to issue ne pager. Recommendations be a buying set some recommendations. Looking back, do you think as a country, we are getting there as far as the recommendations are concerned?
Well, now I see you now. Sanko Modina Gazoma Mekaka, minimum kakra. We there, see, so that don't have Benho. Now Benho. Oh, yeah, I'm a VIP station. Me two car. I mean to me in fast cycle because of the volume of water. Volume of water now. In per Highlands. To make a far. Friend then graphic road. Yeah, graphic road. Nti me ya be pie wo Adabra Castro, Kokomebles ro. And I meet a piece of my start is a warrior sa ujano ho asem. Na ayo unfortunate, ma me fa konye zo na yema obi bia ohwe ne nkwa abusua yakọ. Nipa bebre o ma me nim won a man bi na owo Nigeria station. Yeah. TikTok guy be pa na me ne kaza kra nche no te trot room a wakodu na filling station wa water fuel na 70c aso man no nema bibro ho a me nim baby as a recommendation baby that prempring na obehwe na bia na obenya ho ye dust gada because nema bibro da so koso unchecked can hand zana na me kan baby say okoje permit now penentema the gang sit down no napa e be crowd one of top paint kokko no dey abechro produce permit on am date ndi o twom of so we yakọ head it out na ya ewi baby ho no mra sudi nti enkosa Menkai recommendation.
Okay, Maminka Okakra. You say stop licensing fuel stations in flood-prone or crowded areas. And we have one. And equip the fire service and NADMO with specialized rescue gears. And another one here, establish permanent national disaster relief fund for victims. And then the last one, launch continuous nationwide public safety and flood educational campaigns.
Me name baby I could read it, but filling stations then they still spring up.
They spring up.
There be a BCC you do any try out to filling stations.
Gas stations.
There now. Eco society, especially here with gas.
Gas.
Unti hina ni ebeka ko blame no. Nyoma permit na say nyonya nkasa ko see no. Enti no we try say.
But cracking the whip is so another matter.
Me sure say recommendation here this so. There's a guy no friend horror. Also is ana my friend. Who any man nyina. Sebi. Debia meeting and can na Isaac Kadang. Skebi as an Saka Bia.
Nensankan,
it make a way the see any actress a man shows a recommendation yet to me implementing it to the fullest. Even say here move grana, if you are along the line and die out. The young say you bet me to no one among but unia emrasu dio. O man bia won pemrasu din. Niema bebre kotia. Niema bebre. Ne be ya ebetimi aka so e de. Madam for pani, mimia pani. Me ne bra pani na cool school, me classmate nia. Na nso ni amra ne kanti, say na me fani ni. I said na de bia man for ka say o man e uma say na. Say wash amra me hiafo. Say uyo skeni di amra no pa na odiso. We ni so a hwinsi. Ko nipa na obeka so omra no me twon aso kra omra no won. Wuti me grandma ni bibi kakra na yeba dan no ko. Enti aso man no ye wo bebre ye. O ko man bi so a say human face. O ko ta de kra da otu aka obi anyina ho no agaza se mesi fe ye na fe yishim na ma me say. But what I say? Because baby I met ko ta de fe me gina o ska na kra me ho na me ye. E bi ni me krom. Wo so fasha. O de she ho wi anse san. I don't know what on say ataria. What they chire na je fin na record fin o ko agramo obi gina ho kwa brand gina ho no hwe no ye no ma ba bebo ha wa na be wa de o ye wi a o discana she metu an e kan sesan machine na be use sesan de ama and just say bia wo card a ho no usable no we use enye hai menka ntwa adwensi ayalolo basis so okay o fi as na ye from den
so far na ticket that card
yes what the card got to way so na bia ma oni wa wram and ye from say ye from chokotrotro ana mebo
no correct
you understand enti wo pese o fra and na so be ka card and now wo pese o call recharge o kara call recharge enti e hokra no ka chronobon ya denkitin bi will be curtailed. But if you ask a coy enemy, if you actually know,
okay, and so tie that to a year and come on, that was a LGBTQ. Say, Parliament a pass a bill. Yet, dear, a Speaker of Parliament, Ababeka. Yet, dear, or Mampinian so I can. Say, dear Ghana for us to share and say. Oman pinyin ede nensa be hye. I remember said wabra wo mu conduct some pools on a Ghana for do a wo mu pese bill no ye pass na oman pinyin agitum ne be yembra no. We had about 93% of Ghanaians saying yes and only 7% saying no. So say I'm asking oman pinyin obesan
Abochi?
Yes.
Sanko me yo. Mebwa anyamede.
Dentra.
Because in a way you are keeping Sankrof on one issue. In the media space. Hold on.
Yes, so almost.
Thank you. more now can to them then no poo advocacy ni be an ema free of charge o mo bi ahwe oh yenyentum oh ikron sign oh you do be sign then na asesa
but some both parties they are manual
no then na asesa bring then pa na be mo bi aka say me nyen ni say mra na beba na me nyen ni so mampanyin be sign then na ba mbado wit ma bo amekakra ne mampanyin kan no enkyere say what the bill beto nanim so on sign or in sign
the mampanyin kan na say na out here say
a procedural a private members bill parliamentary ni dia wie obet man ka say menye lawyer ti what the beto me punso a me was 7 days meet him there sign and I make us a men sign it, right? I think 7 days or 14. Is it 14? Right. It's now being no. As a summon a mere lawyer for our quadrum rem the home como. You are say mean to me sign a drum run it training means I'm fan go back to parliament. That's what I say. Say me sign there, no my sign. It is strange to sign on my bank can here. Okay. Head the one in him. Praying enye mraye ansa ebet ma ye mrado just yafa baako ebien abiesa ne adisisi ani ne ewie ne clear bibi ansa na nkoye said nipa ku bi en wonder o paint on impose sade na nipa dudu bi nso ntiase but na me guess what ase eye mra wo hwe a obi a ne kwa se me ni so enti wo ye mra te sa na eso ma at least obi a te ne ho ase wo mu wo ti men chire fan hye nipa konsa Speaker of Parliament de obekan and se san hwe also se na nka ye betma build the consensus ye nyina be jatom na nko NDC afa NPP afa fenti anka be ye nya ya nka ya mpase ne ntam ne ye twen kakra and se san hwe ye komrem a ebia o need to me because no intimi nka se me ni ho nti mo san famra na me metena so ne cancer e bi chiro ngadwe wo ho nea majority leader kind and say say also wo hokra na you just preside over it na mum yan na yehye mra this ye mu bi no be raise objection na fine na mo one kasa as speaker no unni sa mra unni sa tumi no under the constitution enti me hu bibia esanka sadi enti sa ne nansa obi de court I just a court rule ansa na yetimi a proceed but the make what I say
me you pa
Indian court bet kaso there be mran kwasa na mai no kra no enya adwumenti ma atwam eno ne yakaso ade de ready nyankopon bua yen na enya ho ne wo prempren bebe wo prempren no na nsa bi ne anuanom bi kaso NDC fukura nya ade a wo be de bill ne beba nti no nga yibi afim wo sa wote sa nkomo no over a month prempren bebe ya dun say bo ngati mia pass it from parliament bebe ya can say parliament be transmit their executive desk or table no so dia no so ampa enya nenti ni oyi kan eto asom let's say me hwe ne bobo bibia me yanko say ye Rashid ye mra no oni ya me boy so on pan ya on man class hwe no one farm to me desk so na last time bi ye ti wona na go for do address no mfa ma ebi nsi ye enti you know asanka de bia no bibia no asanka bibia no ebeka say impede the process ne how can nyina ye na ebet mama smooth process na akoso na mom procedurally and na process no say na ebet ma ye ni me so me dia met ma ye omuni because anya we nya public sponsored bill a private person
and also government
absolutely our government sponsored it will be na akwa okofa ba nti wo your mampanya ntimi ka so buy na makoto mejatum prekope ese so no mranim fotrase had e bia ye down na say be yi no aye recommendation na bia how they call back to parliament na be yi sente sanso you are sent your signature to it president Mahama nyobia sa di obetwe no ho afi ho da no maybe about also my home pay my nya do be sign it that na me bisa senti on sign it then sa bre no on sign it then ko bibia meto ni table so ye dey this and ko wie then on sign it and no grow ngas smuggle bi no nga yibi afima to akene and e fa ko si ye ti dede bebre ni abebe ye du no me nya hwi ni wasesa hwi ni ho a apagya nani a yebetuma so there's some potential red flag bi refe bi aba and I be impede the process no na me kan say ye ho dede bebra ewo faso bi a certain group of people wonya fim but that's what na me can say but pay me baby ameti na me wo mamia na me expect say bia nchemenya na nanom bia ka ho na me ba bia beba no kura ne yonko bia seb say da ni ame pesa me ware ni ni o ni ame yan say me kan wa nti a wa duan na me ni ana me bua wo fi kura bi nsi ho tia eno so say eno no e fa ho di a obi tia so a we want to the bia ho say wo mo kura na o tia yen a ye wo man no mu yen fa ho di so what did bibi shemem say me nya ne prekope maybe ubeka ya president knows abreso sa di pagya oni mu and will be sa then attorney general na ye owura matenamidu so kaya and also adene de mra wo ho nti wo ye no wo kire de a wode wo be fa mra kwan so ne mu bi sa question say na ade no wo ye wo dan mo wo hye dan no wo ye nti wo be so anopa ana no jofa no akobo bia dan nti say dan na ekoso dem ye be se ye behwe baby a obenya ne say bia wo bi akosho bi ne na ye no abe report benya panyinfo benu a won nyina consent to whatever they want to do aboji na me kan ati ase
me ti o pa
baby e be ye hu kakra na na kufu ado bue ne ma bi su kire ye sa ade na ye te hu a ye de hu agure se ye nyina ye nan so a e be ma fa ye mfa ase sa na me mfa ne sisi yo me pesa me sound do
onim
aboji ma no nsi wa
okay that's fine.
And okay, so what's in England? How can no go school? Sa brain no call for no ya better man. No one mustn't pour. But prempeh when I jatum, then I'm more get tomo. We get to because of pressure, advocacy, a course. It say, I'm not careful, it is bound to happen in Ghana. You say, hey, any other no kanga baby. You were mrade. Oh, yeah, maybe you'll be called reporter, watch the way, wait a minute, but baby, I walk a cack on your bra or beer. Beso no yonko bia nsema na oberama beso yonko berama akogina alter nim say ya warranty shiranga wares my ne enko yen baby mpato na meke wati ase eni yesusu say no yan amamra ne
interest
masa de no ho kwan sabe abuampo be hu bia na ye gweridi abua berama ne oberama wofro wo hu mpato wo hu bi da no nipa da sani nti yan de nya de ayesuso sa na eme so na mum se tokro bi da baby dia yan hwese bet ma siw ntem na go for interview na chi no na ma for say hey and mom yan sorry because advocacy no kosoro be bredia it is bound to happen and yan hwe kwan be fa so ye this advocacy no because ye be siw anu ano asam ne ko fare ba ni na mi ebi so won ayi baby afim metete no na sa kwete say bia advocacy kro na enti no e bia makoye bi me hu aka agwam wodi me akodu court lawyer ne kwan so be defend me mpacho so what I say the lawyer no be defend me and so no so support no ya me ye nti ese say ye dey no famra kwan so e ho no won ayo now say there be ene the any pan right say ese say woman no right to cancel or whatever fair trial nti mako ebien bi ebiesa bi na afim e no sesa hwe ye pen na me nti ase kire be no en sesa hwe ye and you say beba show so be be sign you yen twen na du ho no man ben ma say men sign because of A, B or Z. You be analyze it.
All right, let me ask.
Na mo so mass ane dey. Benti me je say e be do ni table so a.
Obe sign.
You do justice.
Okay, so the NPC akana o say on the GDP say a bill no dey e could do a mampanyin e cheburu so a e ade a wo be sign.
Sacrifice me tigrao.
Say me can
say ya himfia ka me dimiti beje. Say President Mahama odi Ghana ho moda.
All right. You know, so still the question still lingers on. Would Mahama sign it into law?
Yes, he will sign.
Will he refer it to the Council of State for further review? Or will there be a new legal challenge also at the Supreme Court? As just happened, as what happened in 2024. Mamintio, Shandoff.
Abochi, really, issue of the kind, just 2 minutes, Vietnamese can was about the flood tinted that you know. I think many me offer anemia, Johnny say, we have not learned any lessons from what happened in June 3rd. Abochi last week, Yana Mebaha, we were citing buildings at UCCC war. Sure. So if indeed we have recommended, we have implemented all the recommendations, do you think perhaps we'll be seeing those buildings being put up? We will not be seeing them. I mean, so your friend is saying, like how do I call it? This are buying. Like I said, not more to an extent what they can do, but that will not compensate anything. The magnitude of loss and go for bear. So if we there's some KFC honum. Now we sania ko a hands-on ekwa. Ofa baby a friend say a former vice president can I say Alibama Road honum.
Yeah.
That place is actually a community. In between no Dansoman. With the unya branch from KFC Hona on your left hand side. Now see open like Alibama feel no one. Don't say like won't do that come papa, but that side here like I saw it down Dansoman. Utra vice president if you're on the PPP just about 50 meters away from it. In the middle of the community and for your basic filling station. I've said this thing for the past 2 years and I've been wondering what kind of a year comb technical advice been your comb because ABOTCHIE be a filling station one. Nyamin Pengu. I've seen time 2 years ago. Now in the year 2024 I started since they were building that
filling station.
Exactly. And I'm not baby I didn't wanna. And I'm asking, sir, the bank technical advice been okay. One ma say in filling station
approval.
Because ABOTCHIE nyame fasamba manu da sumina so. But bibi say sina if feeling crofwa say be won be kano. Because in the middle of the community, quite a Canadian temu, and let's say the move just one road that cast name and the general like film. Until I hear about recommendations now, your maya, your pentem egg bingia laws just to come to the LGBT as making. ABOTCHIE sports for Beckham, SARFO. There was a Jamife committee report, right?
Beckham.
Ask the sports guys, what have they done about it?
And also man find you.
So that anytime me of I can say there's so many recommendations I hear on memoirs you find you Obekonebia that's kakapona about at a point when we asked I don't know whether it was Nanado de Bisano said in June time or so on he doesn't even remember
the Jamafa.
You see as a country
that was after the 2014
exactly
World Cup
because if we went thoroughly say yes sir recommendations now we will not be seeing today complaining about Black Stars any yet other under 17 for now Morocco. You know they are out of the tournament. They couldn't even qualify for the World Cup never. Into your member your committee you can file recommendations in your shape. You just set up the committee just to be clapped for we are not 2 years jumada. And today LGBT assembly ABOTCHIE me I am not too much, yes I am much concerned about the laws near there. But my concern is how do we implement it and make sure that people comply? Loss dodo aya pass organ na dodo send aya making sure say ebeye adwuma omem. That is my concern as a Ghanaian and MPP class him. So the funny say if everything be equal, I'll come back to the issues, but if everything be equal, we pass somewhere. How well are we convinced say ye bit me amasama na ye adwuma omem? Ye kaka ye nima nyame so pass on mine. And so ye magana who don't na yemu. Both parties want to score political points. And to talk about this issue proper, MPP for ye need problem biao. Our problem is that this issue is of national concern. We have to talk about it in a very dispassionate way. But ye political party or scoring political points from it. But you say NDC for 2024 elections are like a movie here. Open one of the things that more multi winning pan LGBT issues. It can't be. Some Georgia or sponsor a bill no saa time no. He was the leading sponsor of that bill. E kanya ka say ye ran another crowd the osusu say he's in bed with can say omala komo finances are gay lesbian you know. O kamo memuwa because the president had not yet assented to that bill passed by parliament. Unuya the last guy at the assembly court at a point where your friend is saying parliament had passed that bill. Even before the passage, you know. Now mind I can say we the majority then had raised so yen shishe nyoma ni mu ba ku menu bia ye feel say yang sakre mu a e betima kwati anipa yen fa hodie afa nyoma ken ye majority leader then raise some concerns but Sabre no NDC for say it does not matter. Na pass na pass ye pass Sabre na say president ensani Sabre no. Na no a yera mampeni Mahama Asia clergy put no catch clergy for say ebo bill na ye kase na advance and betoni home po and bad jubilee house impo. The president himself has said, I have the video here, who put this away, permit my send he said it. So that one even clears that mischief, say, I'm betoni open our signing. And they say, yenye consideration, yera Mahama to UK, and so wait me who say a betoni nimpoa, obeti me the akakoma Council of State, I'm on my position. Na say like a mrenim ni for ni advices ni ade la kombe bwana manaye say sakrebi wo masapo ne bia say la kombe sign power sign
but he's saying but
he's saying that can even take a particular period and he say even say parliament will pass we na say meba no but I'm saying no but then that is what he said and in Stefan he says like a betone nimpo na say oma like he is able to like exhaust ade na meaning said even at say like that president in Nimkapo, they can still consider and look at some like amendments, you know. So I didn't think to say na like amendments in our parliament. Why the rush? Or why the consideration now? Yera Bagman say before he left parliament, he had told them that they should only do consideration. Consideration, some of these things will come up. Why the rush to go and pass a bill? In any case, may offer any massimo okay. ABOTCHIE a very profound pound. Bill na ye passing, what is it supposed to achieve? The act itself, it is the last thought to say you have to say no but say LGBT act say like could be no a bema ni bema dano. That is the last resort, like that's the last stage of the process.
Okay, that's fine.
Ni bema yakodu ho no ye kasa wo ho advocacy nansi na wonti wona ye nkora ye chomade ye di buku ko ya omo selabo ne omayi na ye church LGBT nema wom ema yera friend is saying so they were talking about human your friend is saying
the description of the gender.
Exactly. No, but that is how it starts at that level. That's how it starts. Say now.
But you can't say now your church and
no, but it's like ABOTCHIE, let's call the speed a speed. Say o catch chakra and say now no gender no need description. He say on to me are describing
no
what are the LGBT people? What are the and they you need plus put in there any other day. So the definition goes on and on and on. This bill now a person, what does it seek to address? And then we say be academic. Na say otro journal be academic findings na so the kotona ye publisher sa ni pakro he's talking about this particular idea advocacy ni so na me of akase ye kwapa ye kasa bebre kwapon we are even helping to fill the whole idea no intende obi ye can say professor na say be lecture be another come up with any research na so otro be found so we say no that person should be left alone. He was talking about lawyer near the yen can say so be represent LGBT maybe or quarter a crime. Didn't ye need like a control coma. Don't we do stories on people murdering people? Even those people couple have got can say
lawyer
legal representations in the courts. It's what is me of a kind. That is not our position. But our position is that send and the kind. Our position is that some me catch and say, San your man and our first boom nana, you are some judge and a leading in the sponsorship. No, and like I said, Kayan Chenanka yen sacrable. Moses Stone na you run another signing. Not a winter man sign here, and they identify in the interest of consistency and integrity and on principle. Take that same bill to Yera Mahama, especially when it became a political capital for the NDC. Clearly, so want me in so now, no, the mammy send me no, so want me some fun in soon and my papa, and I said, so you also say, like I say, Yenum sound soon, meaning say there's something diabolic behind. And see, come, but never catch a gun of us at time, no, Utun Futugu, or I can't say, Vonani. I'm going to tear MP before Phil say MP before the night, bar Bema, ye better call ma, crying say, Bemani Bemanda, Bani Banda, your call by election, Aquatia. It was a campaign promise. I was there. Okoye campaign ukofifima na ya catch and say the entire ntuma MPP parliamentary candidates say yen sa can say numbers now we are coming to enable such barbaric act to go on. They still went to Aquatia on that campaign promise. So this is
our time requiring numbers.
No, I am telling you that this is the NDC. They had political capital lot of it. Until early before you stand say they didn't kind. I never catch a Ghana for say one now kind so what they told me you know. There are certain things beyond man. Now we do too much time now. You can't say you film kwa man heading. can't say more antiase and then I must see ye film de Abochi so is any money in the film I bring to me so but I'm sure you have seen some of the things that ye can't want to then the bill loses its friends and name drone
no money e be ni saying bobo
Abochi and I make her say ne say obi a year journal and I said journal unim say they are podcaster these gay guys are like I can't say they like identify themselves people where Nanaba na mom papa interview because they are talking about say they feel feminine and they are this and all of that. They are having a kind of say this podcast talking about those things, and they will see in go for more kasa fast anyo man ho advocacy na enu kwapo nema ese nkofo adwumonia.
But I think the bill in itself, doesn't talk about promotion. The bill
it's to criminalize advocacy.
Meba. Advocacy, promotion, a idea bill nitia.
Abotisha amendments nimu. What's a kind of some of the nemana on my
as a journalist, you can talk about ASRD, BBC, FOM. You can talk about it, but you are not there to promote it. You are not there to advocate for it. Let's get things right. Gay for akwakoya debia yes yenye. Ubetimi aka wasem. But you don't promote the activity. You don't say bia Shandof ni abochi. Omugongo ware. Omugongo edrumudu. Omugongo esaniamai. They're right. No, you don't promote it. And even the bill says that. What crowd will promote it? I just had you can go behind bars for up to 10 years.
Abochi.
So what are you talking about?
Abochi, so in the old bill.
But committee na where legal legislative committee
constitutional
but one body a party bank from Kwana also MPP for Nigeria
MPP also
what is the one will be raise the objection be but don't come out the one will be in a bar bonten be kind say we get year film nti peneso what is asking me be that
I think said last time not many Honorable Bernard Baidu Akweti MP and he threw that challenge.
Absolutely. Obi anyone objected to any part of the bill. Nipa wa ya hunde de no. Obi anyone no ka committee no. Eti hunde consensus building yonga ye wie. Ni amini ya eken. It looks as if say Jaman this phone call and the question talk room no akwa building they are better bunting. But that is not the issue.
All right, Edim, thank you.
I think on every committee it's made up of the two sides of the house.
Yeah.
But I'm saying and the time and now Sam George was spearheading that time too there was two friends and there were both parties involved in the
other committees.
Exactly. No, but I'm saying when
the constitutional you're talking about the constitutional and the legal affairs committee of parliament.
No, so like I'm saying it's like in that case now a back committee now there are things that they look at. So what you were like in team for Joa?
No. He is not part of the committee.
Part of the committee, but then your friends on the floor of parliament, open call for they are interested persons and parties to this person of that private members. But now he's involved in the first chance. Like in the first year, Sam George he was always making reference to in team for Joa being part of even the other side of the house. He was helping with that. He was always making reference to himself. He was part of it. At the end of the day, ABOTCHIE the nitie chairman say Ghana ye be say nya a very good environment. Ye mebru ni ye man dachi ABOTCHIE tie bia na me wo be 5 and 10. Me mpese me nkokra bom no me hu se me ba bi akakoye da kofa be ma e bia me ba be ma kofa be ma bia bejen se dada me be se me nyese. Intino as on man ye nyina ye den yen kaye umbum na say na and then the spokesperson for the chief imam mekano am I any partisan, but the truth must be told. Say there was a political party they made political capital out of it, and the Ghana Fujina to be to Abama one, and so when Nessa and Macrona and I say yen to was a yen twin na yen sacrim out woman penina, and in Telma or Mokache Ghana for say MPP for are in bed with LGBT communities, and then Omud buy the Omayan Sakraye, and then
you see where the problem is. Wabra a bill no then 2024 signed in February ebeto a nankabo transmitted their call on 2022 meba omode call a omampin asue no.
Yeah,
we had executive secretary of the Edcoma a parliament this omunhwe ye no one transmitters ade na amfamba. Wait. I'm on one farmer. Now, idea we know a deja. I will Ghana. So if you are saying, say, it was the NDC that made political capital out of it, I am one
Abochi.
Because wait. One issue bisu amusumu de buy and they say the matter was at the Supreme Court.
Was it?
But it was.
Betray. And what President Mahama said is that these are only two different personalities. What the president in principle, what the president said yesterday, listening to Onoka say there are various considerations like a bit more common and as a bampuna saying the Council of State in the film. Abochi, this is the same thing being said, but like a council like in a different way. Because already people were even the majority on the floor.
So wait. You are comparing Asante Bedie Truth's letter. No, wait. But I want to, we need clarity. Say no, the man penning a can, no. What they to a year crata Asante Bedie a true a troy at the Coma Parliament.
Abochi.
Is that what you're doing?
Abochi, you introduced what the letter being written by Asante Bedie to.
Yeah.
And I'm saying, we shared their council like Asante Bedie to Troy, you know. Now we see what the president said and these are different wording, but the same thing is being achieved in the sense that you are president catch and say the bill is being far. I said that it is far from being passed, and he gave the reasons. I say one, there wasn't any quorum being formed. That was one. Two, say he's not like a council like a legal brain. Say or the money advisors near the action.
Is there something wrong with that?
The Council of State for consideration. At the time, Asante Bedie trust idea no, but we raising concerns of some legalities in there.
So you want me to read the letter of Asante Bedie?
Reading, I'm just trying to say, you see, it is different wording, but achieving the same result.
All right,
because people feel that we should have a friend say a council like breaks, or we should put breaks so that all necessary considerations be answer na heading.
Okay, wait a minute, any 1 minute on this. Advice.
Only MPP for communicators near and Ego for Adon. One more way I say in grow. And then maybe why wouldn't men found whitewashing and Ego for Adon, my name. I just I would describe or cramming any bridges away at the scene. Ye. Right? Nana Nego Vado, as Antibody to Gina Son say, one fair say, one more humusu and transmit this identify because it be the record court. As at that time, no be an court here. Check the dates. Okay? Ni amrane chre and say, so what the bill never now or once I'm not to mean sign here. Share reason no. National Faco Parliament. Yes, I'm gonna consider. Hold on. Oh,
I also asking him say at the time, no, were there concerns being raised by the majority leader about some of the legal, even yes, I am fine cancel. You find being to prison. Did he raise questions about that? No, I'm asking. It's not by did he raise questions about that?
What is why are they? Na me you want to say who sa reason okay was until be there to crata no but
you don't have to see we are all in this country Abochi. I feel and then he said like
he failed on that note. He failed
on whose part?
Straight up.
Who failed?
Nana Akufo-Addo. He had the opportunity to say men sign it because of A, B or C. Son I'm running spirit training One yet. Court say what they are saying na court nti on sign and on sign any Ghana constitution no be dia.
Mahama kwapa enyam kodu nanim kwa.
But I'm already giving judgment. It's Ghana from being signed.
President Mahama kwa enyam kwa nanim kwa boti. Oka say it is far from being signed.
No, Shandoff Nyabutre. Shandoff Nyabutre.
Nya me person me Ghana for agency so ni say dispensation are you woman far different from Nana Akufo-Addo. The dispensation. President Mahama say sa de no ebedo na nkrata so. Or consider near maybe your person consider in area or best signing. He even promised it back in opposition. Say but
people are saying that the conversation has changed.
It has not.
President
Shandoff, please allow me.
Sometimes
no, also make a statement 1 minute. Patron me befa course.
Right? Enti netini. Nana Akufo-Addo ebeto ama enam kwanso ba no se mfa ma o ngaja no.
Na say we nyina ya Canada me patron me patron.
But President Mahama dey okay. Now President Mahama dey okay. She no be bet imagine so ka say no nti President Mahama ebeto na ma on side.
Okay, but I mean that say SOMPA 106.5 FM, the sciatica originator, the sciatica commander, 21st clinic. Me patron uni mo bia we nya sciatica na na ba ko ye ne ya oje ne ho anjia. Me patron kai say bia wo do we ni be kire no. 21st clinic. 21st clinic e cha kwan e wo Central Hill roundabout e wo Accra ha. So wo tema wo mo Roman Catholic Church na chi ho a ho na obo 21st clinic. Kumase ehwe overseas be ya SOMPA FM wo no. Sunyane wo mo ne regional hospital first gate ne di hwe ni mo. Wo mo Takrade, wo mo Nkransa, wo mo Brekum, wo mo Goso. Obo on the 21st clinic e din command number be phrases so 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 endpoint homeopathic clinic or say the end to chronic diseases. Me patron mo bia wonya njujuye wonya stroke yade anya se wonya yade bia yade no amana campaign. Me patron eye endpoint homeopathic clinic say there be and how who say wodi nipa na kwaya asabia friend numbers we say o me be fie no wa ba be hwe nipa kondi di amount numbers ni 0244 867068 0244 867068 0274 234 321 omoye massaging physiotherapy sessions na ebo ho na sakai say oba opeso of afro ni ma anampa chotemen kan na wie bema ojunso na ojunso ni mo apai wo prostate issues ana oni oba edi nhemu aro boss wa na wajai de parao me pacho bomodin na kope endpoint homeopathic clinic cha kwan tie ni ye nkran ha ubehu omo shell signboard it was Pink Test Road one of who walk Kumasia hwehwe endpoint echakwan ewo Kronom Abohia ma mempeke course sia. Hello, good evening.
Abochi, what do you mean?
Me pacho me ton kan pacho wana me na kase
from Kantaman to Accra, Ghana.
Me pacho
so celebrate the kikamu.
Ya wapon eduba
so attra wa kam me France na mako na Brian Breka ono man mun tamo ne tiate.
Oh,
and the kikamu jaja.
I didn't body tail man.
Body tail Greater Accra woman organizer of and also
me pacho nipa ba kwa na mienu pe. Nipa ba kwa na mienu pe.
Oh, okay, what jaja kuna chama chama. Obochi. Ta again who atama ya kan President Akufo-Addo. Me say again no INDC ni MPP ni na mutu ban ba ko pepepe. Omo dia kwaji bi no omo di bi se o.
Busi aba na ka. Sa.
Obi apetire. Agbochi owo yin na bi na kwaji aba. Again no o ka tu yin tumu a amrofo mo ma wo ka. And the one who don't mean this, and I'm on train, and Ghana, the here the Brio, and then Ghana, Ghana, as a mobile. Oh, to me, sign that, or come to be so. I could not go into me and sign that.
And you know, and man penny say over heading.
Oh, my father, oh, that's not money. What do you want to sign?
Medasi. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Nana man, it's saying.
Nyamia do mon patron also e.
Nyamia da Roma ye ho ye na na ma wada ma patron ma nti wai.
Patron ma membo MPP ni na baso wai. Na mentia Dr. Baumia.
Yo.
Eni John Boy do ni hadia.
Ko wenim.
Bebia Abronya will be my still, Abronya must do, man, come ABOTCHIE.
Yay.
The patrol. Section in tears, you say.
Oh, you.
Oh no, Chiam. Oh, Chiam, Grove, no Chiam. Come on.
I could follow. One man saying now for 2 in corner. One man can send this to funny the child with the court. I didn't see another court. I didn't see a couple fathers. I ever had no, it's not the court. Yeah, my kind of question. I kind of friend who are thrown in the clothes. No criminal MPs in our social NDC.
Midasi, Nanama. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Abuchi.
Yeah, me patrona me nene kasi.
Abuchi, Agira.
Lafia lo.
Abuchi,
Baba ya mama ntio.
I never sat in anything before there. Mama said, on time. I'm only there to go on to our mother. NDC, Baba, Omulo, Onu. I'm not sure that I'm not much in the anything a planting on me and to be any majority in the empire. I don't know. I don't know who yet. I am.
Midasi. Hello.
Abuchi.
Yeah, me patrona.
Me change family. At Israel.
Abede.
Thank you. And next year, when you book your catch a wife, and Quanon. And I'm not paying them out. I don't be doing. Joe, Ashaman. Ashaman, please. A communication of the patrol on the post, 1 to 1. And now, calling, I'm a money Subu, constituency of deputy communication officer. Subu for 1 to 1.
Midasi. Yeah, who's in the Pamia Nupe? Who's in the Pamia Nupe? Obijinachri. Who's in the Pamia Nupe with him?
And if you know, Yamisha, papa. Oh. But you have to call and no church me battle. This an MPP said, I'm never na a call